Understanding the phrase, low note, enhancing your English skills. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, low note. This phrase can be a bit tricky, as it has both a literal and figurative meaning. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering English, so let's explore this together. Firstly, let's talk about the literal meaning of low note. In music, a low note refers to a sound that has a low pitch. This is the kind of sound you hear from instruments like the bass guitar or a tuba. It's deeper and has a lower frequency compared to other notes. More interestingly, low note is often used figuratively. In everyday language, ending on a low note can mean concluding something in a less than positive manner. For instance, if a meeting ends with people feeling unhappy or unsatisfied, you might say it ended on a low note. This expression conveys a sense of disappointment or a negative conclusion. To fully grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Music context. The song started with a high energy but ended on a low note, with a slow, deep melody. 2. Figurative context. The party was going great until the argument started, which really ended the evening on a low note. These examples help illustrate how the phrase is used in different contexts. Remembering phrases like low note can be challenging, but here are some tips. Relate it to personal experiences. Think of a time when something didn't end well and remind yourself that was a low note. Practice. Try using the phrase in your daily conversation or in writing. And that's a wrap on low note. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, understanding such phrases not only helps in communication but also in appreciating the richness of the English language. Keep practicing, and see you next time.